How to change your age on Facebook. Let's begin with the video. First thing first, launch the Facebook app and log into your account if you haven't already. Then tap on the hamburger icon located at the top right corner of the screen. After that, scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy to expand more options. Next, select Settings. From here, select Account Center, usually located near the top of the page. Under the Account Center, go ahead and click on the Personal Details to manage your basic information. Now choose Date of Birth. To change your age on Facebook, hit the Edit button next to your date of birth. Then use the calendar that appears to select your correct birth date. And hit Set. Finally, tap on the Save button at the bottom to confirm and apply your changes. Again, a confirmation prompt will appear. Hit Confirm. There you go. Now you know how to change your age on Facebook.